If you have a house in Hubbard, Ohio, and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in and around Hubbard, Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Hubbard prefer to work with us rather than working with a traditional buyer who might need to qualify for a loan or a mortgage. And the reason people like working with us is we're going to buy the house as is, true as is. So there's no work you need to do whatsoever. You don't got to hire a handyman. You don't got to clean. You don't got to be a weekend warrior. You don't got to go to the Home Depot. And most importantly, you don't got to come out of pocket whatsoever for us to close on this house. There's no work or effort that you need to put in. We have bought many, many, many houses. We expect the best to the worst. It doesn't matter. There's no job too big, too small. We truly buy their house in the as-is condition. And also, you don't got to haul anything away. So that means you can take with you anything that you want out of your house in Hubbard. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you could just leave behind and we'll take care of it for you, because we're able to close these properties in their as-is condition because we're a cash buyer. It's a true cash situation. So there's no third-party lender involved. With a traditional buyer who's using a mortgage, if there's a third-party lender involved, you could be setting yourself up for a lot of confusion, a lot of hoops for you to jump through, a lot of wasted time, and it can actually be costly as well. The first thing a traditional buyer does is they send through, it's not even the traditional buyer, I can't really be mad at them, it's their lender. They're going to send this thorough inspector through the house, and this is intrusive. They're going to test every single outlet, test every single light switch, and every single ceiling fan, and open and close all the windows and doors. And what they're going to do is compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house, and this can only be used against you. It can be used against you to try to renegotiate, get discounts, get credits, get extensions, and then if you survive the inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through, and the appraiser typically works directly for the bank. We all know the bank has their own best interests in mind. So they're going to look for everything possible to basically pull the rug out from under this thing. And if they do, you're left right back to square one. You wasted a ton of time, but you didn't just waste time, you wasted money, because in real estate, every day that you don't close is another day you got to pay for the utilities. You got to pay for the property taxes. You got to pay for the insurance. It's just a lot of opportunity wasted and a lot of opportunity cost. You're not going to get any of that with us. We're a fair cash buyer. We buy houses in Hubbard, and we're going to treat you fair. We're local. This is not some call center located in some foreign distant land who's never even been to Hubbard, Ohio, but they're suddenly going to make you an offer on the house. Be aware of any of that stuff and just work with a fair cash buyer. We have hundreds of reviews and testimonials, and I know for sure we could work with you as well. So if you have a house in Hubbard and you at least want to see what your options are in selling the property, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. We were founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with Hubbard and working with sellers in Hubbard, Ohio. So when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you're looking to close. If you want to close quickly, we could accommodate. If you need something more flexible into the future and set a target date, we could work with you on that as well. And we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands and part as friends. There's not going to be any pressure or awkwardness or games or gimmicks like the call centers do. So we're here local. We're going to treat you like a neighbor and treat you fair. And if you have a house in Hubbard and you want to sell, fast, easy, convenient, and just know what your options are, we'd love the opportunity to talk to you. Our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. And if you choose, you could visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.